This is a product tutorial for Sense, a whole-of-government business intelligence tool that allows government officers to query their databases in natural language. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Sense to create statistical summaries of your dataset. Statistical summaries are good for understanding the distribution of your dataset and will come in useful for modeling. As with the previous tutorial, we will be using the COVID-19 case weight distribution dataset. We simply ask for Sense to give us a quick statistical summary of the weight dataset. The output is a summary report of the total number of entries, the average weight, the maximum and minimum weight, and the standard deviation. You could also ask for specific percentiles, and Sense supports this as well. Finally, you could also ask for the correlation coefficient between two variables, in this case, weight and age. Sense will be able to calculate this with relative ease. In summary, Sense is able to provide a statistical summary of dataset distribution, calculate percentile values for your dataset distribution, and also determine the correlation coefficient between any two variables in your dataset.